Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Flip phones. They had relinquished their dominance in the market by the time the first true smartphones became commercially available around the mid-2000s. But for a long time, during the late 1990s and early 2000s, they were the most popular kind of phones.
Take our lead.
The first flip phone, 1996. The StarTAC, created by Motorola in 1996, was the phone that started the whole revolution of flip phones. Most people college age or older probably had some sort of flip phone in their life before the iPhone was introduced.
Let's help you make your mark.
We all remember flip phones. Whether you had a classic Samsung Flip or the wildly popular Motorola Razr, these modestly evolved mobile devices acted as a vehicle for our journey to smartphones. You can still buy and use them from online, phone carriers and even supermarkets like Walmart.
Let's help you make your mark.
Flip-style cell phones are popular due to their useful design wherein the phone is divided into two parts: the keypad or main body of the phone, and the phone's display panel. The display panel rotates on a spring-loaded hinge to flip, open and/or closed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.